what are you doing with buckets on your head?
Buckets on my head!
Get back here! Oh my God!
Right here! This is Crazy Dave! Yeah! Get out of my house! Get out of my house! Yeah, victory!
David, what are you doing?
Whoa!
Crazy Dave!
Don't stop!
Oh
I tripped! I'm bringing this car to the other half! Yeah! Don't stop!
Where did the other half go?
Guys, you know where I'm gonna hide it? Look at here, right here. I'm gonna hide it right under here, and it's locked so nobody can open it. The Power Ranger Red. Mark this car as graffiti of red. You died, Red! Oh, but what you didn't see coming, that I killed this car! Power Ranger! Bam! Woo! Oh, and look what I did to this hood here. Wait, I think it did go. Yeah, look at that. See how it's coming up? Woohoo! Done.
Crazy Dave, what are you doing?
I'm show you what I'm doing. I'm not crazy anymore. Let's throw this bar up and... Yeah.
Are you emo?
What?
Are you emo?
I'm tired. Ah! Oh my God! Crazy Dave! Crazy Dave is back on foot! Woo! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! Get out of my house! Woo! Yeah, you see this Bowie pit? It's gonna do headbutts! Boom! Boom! Degeneration X! Yeah! Bowling! Oh. Let's do it! Let's do it! And do it again! Whoa! Loco.